Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 26th of April 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.98%, settling the day at 38,085.80 while Nasdaq ended the session at 15,611.76, falling 0.64%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,798.91 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,467.48. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,657.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. Yesterday, FII sold 2,823.33 crores in cash market. Vodafone IPO pre-open session sees chaos, traders say some bids not accepted by system. India's largest non-bank lender, Bajaj Finance, said it has made the required changes after the RBI imposed business restrictions on two lending products last year. Now talking about global aspects, the US economy expanded an annualized 1.6% in Q1 2024, compared to 3.4% in the previous quarter and below forecasts of 2.5%. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US fell by 5,000 to 207,000 in the week ending April 20th, the lowest in 2 months, and below market expectations of 214,000. Gold prices trimmed gains on Thursday as US Treasury yields rose after economic data showed signs of persistent inflation, lowering hopes of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates anytime soon. WTI was flat at $82.81, while Brent rose 0.2% to $88.22 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.70%, down. The US dollar is trading at 105.45, down by 0.01. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty witnessed strong buying in the afternoon trading session, where the market experienced a rally in Axis Bank, SBI, and other PSU banks. Sensex and Nifty gained more than 1% from the day's low and concluded at 74,339.44 and 22,570.35 respectively. Pharma, auto, and energy stocks also hogged the limelight. However, consumer durable stocks declined the most. Outlook for the day. In Nifty, the index has adeptly defended its upward sloping support trendline, aligning closely with the psychologically significant 22,000 mark. Looking ahead, the next resistance level to monitor is around 22,650, with the possibility of extending to 22,800 if sustained momentum persists. Immediate support rests at 22,450. In Bank Nifty, 48,800 to 49,000 will act as strong resistance for the short term. 48,200 and 47,800 would be the sacrosanct support zone for the positional traders, above which, it could bounce back up to 48,600 to 48,800. Stocks on radar are Power India, Godfrey Phillips India, MOL, MCX. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.